If we study the growth of human civilization, land was the mainstay of human life in the ancient past. Some cultivators having lands in close proximity to one another built a group of houses known as villages. Some villages developed into towns because of establishment of industries. In India, Calcutta, Bombay, Delhi, Madras and Kanpur are the biggest cities. Para 70% of India lives in villages. India is an agricultural country and the Indian village is predominantly populated by the farmers. The life of the villagers has been mainly shaped by their common profession, agriculture. The day long they talk about the crops, the monsoon, the tube bale, the tractor, the seeds, the fertilizer, the livestock, the prices of their produce and the facilities for agricultural loans. They are averse to keeping pace with the advancement of human civilization. Primary and middle schools have been opened in all the villages and higher secondary schools are within their reach. But they are reluctant to send their children to schools. The villagers are backward, superstitious and orthodox. Para. Medical facilities are not available in the villages. They do not have civic amenities like roads, drainage, sewerage, supply of drinking water and sanitation. They are devoid of modern means of entertainment, the cinema, the television, the club, the hotel and the restaurant. Para. But the village life is enviable too. The villager never becomes a victim of tension. He leads a patient, calm and carefree life. He is not time conscious. He never paints. If he is late, he lives peacefully. He lives in fresh and healthy air and eats wholesome and neutral food. Lot of fresh milk, vegetables, butter, ghee and eggs are available to him. He is hospitable and shares the joy and the sorrow of his village folk. Para. City life is diametrically different from village life. Cities have become the nerve centers of human activity. Big industries are located in cities. Big companies have their offices in cities. State and central governments have selected cities as their headquarters. Cities like Calcutta, Bombay and Kanpur are industrial and commercial towns. Delhi is the capital of India and is having a large number of government offices. The industrial and office workers get up early and start crowding the streets, buses and local trains. Traffic starts moving on the roads early in the morning and disturbs the sleep of the people. Automobiles and chimneys and gases of the factories pollute the city air. All the cities are having housing problem. There is acute shortage of houses in all these cities. The rents are exorbitant and generally 5 to 6 persons have to share a small room. Para. People of the city has become self-centered and selfish. They do not share the distress and prosperity of their neighbors and co-dwellers. People in the cities develop a comfortable attitude because of availability of modern means. Most of the manual work is done by machines. Para. On the other hand, city life is enjoyable too. Cities provide all the modern human facilities, all civic amenities are available. Cities are seats of higher education. The rich live in the cities. Luxurious hotels, clubs, and restaurants are an irresistible attraction of the city life. The best medical facilities are available in the cities. The biggest attraction in cities is job opportunities. Cities are a haven for job seekers. Para. Every rose has its thorns. Similarly, be it village life or city life, each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Despite the comfort and glamour of city life, I like the innocent warmth of village life. I love living in my village. After all, it is here that India lives.